Hey guys, it's Maggie here with Chrissy Bear 8037 and Annie2121. This is my sister and this is my cousin. This is my first video, so I'm just going to be wandering around like a normal jammer. So let's go and see what they're saying. So this is Kristen. Make sure to buddy her. She has a black long. She has a very good betas, and she's a very good player. Me too. And this is that's just my sister. This is my sister, and yeah. Well, she's saying hi, jammers. So today we're gonna be doing just wandering around. So let's go. Let's go to Gemma. Let's go to Gemma. Oh, let's go to Alden. Alden. Okay, see everyone. So we are going to create this. So we're just gonna be randomly trading her with people. Okay, let's see her. Ooh, both AJ. Okay. There's my sister again and Kristen. Okay, well, let's go over here. Ooh, I'm gonna see if I can trade for his yellow short. What am I gonna do? Item. And let's go here. I know. I gotta trade. Okay, let's trade for some of this. And some of that. And let's go down to here. Doesn't work sometimes. Annie goes again. Hey, my sister's recording. Sorry, this is my very first video and I'm really scared. Okay, well, let's get trading some people. Okay. Let's go back to this guy. Gorgeous 2944.5. Okay, let's trade her. Let's ask her what she wants. For yellow 4. Let's just give her an offer. Ooh, I got a mail. Orange long, blue long, and all pay deals for black long. Definitely not. Okay, let's go on here. Ooh, blue long. Oh, this is the person who said it to me. Ooh, oh, I don't think that's a better hood. Can't really tell. Where's Kristen Beggs? She should be up here. Be sure to buddy her, like I said that a lot of times. And let's buddy Moisturizing, my other cousin. And buddy Annie2121. Okay. Okay. We're gonna do some gifts. Gift me. I think it's a gift me a return favor. I will return a favor. Okay, let's go over here and start dancing. Okay, well, in the meantime, while we're waiting for those gifts. Ooh. Werewolf Girl Boy 50, that's a weird name, but okay. Here is Rolo Butter. Cotton Cupcakes 10. Ooh, stack of books open, okay.
I stack of
Huh. Okay, let's try and get into a party's then. Yay! Wow, he changed his look. Always full. Let's see if we could get into Whoop mode then. Oops. Oh, I was probably gonna just bring us somewhere. Yeah, that's what it always says. Okay, if we keep clicking here, we'll do it. Maybe if I go in here, where this. Ooh. Give me, I will return the favor. Okay, well, we're gonna wait for these gifts to come up, and then my video is gonna have to. Whoa. Oh, I don't really know. I'm gonna say no. Oh, here we go. Holy! I just got a rare spiked wristband, Annie, from a gift.
Can I have it?
Holy moly! Thank you. Thank you so much. Be sure to buddy that person. I am sure gonna buddy him. Annie, stop.
I gave you the black.
Stop it. I am so grateful right now. I pretty much think I'm going to cry. Yeah, totally. You are amazing. Like, amazing. A different color spike long and two betas. For what? That is definitely not there. You're the best. That person, be sure to buddy that person. She is so nice. Okay, let's check out Roar again. Be sure to buddy Roar. Okay, then one beta. Really? Okay. Okay, let's find that person who I was just texting. Okay, well, this. Okay, let's buddy her. She's my buddy. Now I'm gonna go to her den. No, thank you. Okay, here we go. Gorgeous person. Okay. So my one beta 4-year spike. Okay, let's put this on trade. What? Oh, she said that. I said a spike in beta. Okay. Let's give her that. And a beta. There. Probably gonna decline that, obviously. Okay, let's retry that. Okay, let's go. A collar. No, that's not fair at all. Okay. And a 1, no, I'm not giving you that. I will give you that and that. That's what you said. So, that's what I'm doing. Okay, well, bye, gorgeous. That's not fair. Well, but okay, well, that ends off our video today, Jammers. Well, thanks. Hope you enjoyed my first video. I'll be posting more videos later on, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye!